Hello, fellow language enthusiasts, code whisperers, and anyone who's ever been utterly baffled by a string of text. I'm Ernis, your guide through the labyrinth of large language models. Today, we're cracking open a paper that's like a Swiss Army knife for multilingual AI specifically designed to handle the quirks of Indic languages spoken on the Indian subcontinent. You know, the way we chop up sentences into smaller bits, these tokens, it's kind of a big deal for how well LLMs perform, how fast they learn, and how much they cost to run. And it turns out, not all tokenizers are created equal. Especially when you throw in the mixed languages with a rich tapestry of scripts and complex word structures. Think of it like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole, or, in this case, a Sanskrit word into an English-centric tokenizing system. Now, what if I told you there's a new sheriff in town? Meet IndicSuperTokenizer. It's not a bird, it's not a plane, it's a specially crafted tokenizer that's making LLMs fluent in Indic languages while boosting their efficiency. Alright, to truly understand this, let's step into our mind palace. Picture a bustling Indian marketplace, each stall representing a different step in the tokenization process. First, we enter the pre-tokenization prep stall. This is where the raw text gets a serious makeover. It's like giving it a spa treatment before its big performance. Here, they're using REGEX based techniques to handle punctuation, numbers, and those pesky Unicode inconsistencies that can make text look like a garbled mess. Think of it as cleaning up the cosmic debris before the real show begins. Then, we stroll into the subword learning stall. This is where the tokenizer starts chopping words into smaller, meaningful units, roots, prefixes, suffixes, you name it. Imagine slicing up a complex dish into its individual ingredients, so you can understand what makes it tick. They're using a technique called byte pair encoding or BPE to find the most common subword chunks. But wait, there's more. That's where the superword learning stall comes in. It's a cosmic upgrade. After the subword party, the tokenizer enters a new phase where it can merge across word boundaries to create superwords, phrases that often go together, like one of the or number of. This is like recognizing that salt and pepper is a single flavor unit, rather than just two separate ingredients. And why is this two-stage approach so crucial? It's like building a house. First, you lay the foundation with sturdy subwords, then you assemble them into larger, meaningful structures. This way, you get the best of both worlds. Fine, grained control and efficient compression. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Ernis, that sounds cool and all, but does it actually work? Well, buckle up, because the results are mind-blowing. The authors tested their IndicSuperTokenizer against a whole bunch of other tokenizers, and it crushed the competition. It improved the average fertility score. That's the token-to-word ratio, by a whopping % over LLM. That's like making your AI almost 40% more efficient. Not only that, but it also led to a 44% improvement in inference throughput. That means the AI can process information much faster, which translates to a better user experience and lower costs. Imagine the possibilities. Faster, more efficient AI that's fluent in the languages of over 1 billion people. AI that can understand the nuances of Indian culture and society, without being bogged down by inefficient tokenization. But here's the best part. The authors didn't just stop at the headline numbers. They conducted detailed experiments to understand how different factors, like vocabulary size, training data, and pre-tokenization strategies, affect performance. They even explored the impact of their tokenizer on downstream tasks, like language understanding and reasoning. That's the kind of rigorous, transparent science we need to build truly trustworthy AI. Fine, yeah, I guess. Look, the point is, this paper is a big deal. It's a testament to the power of thoughtful engineering and a reminder that even seemingly mundane details, like tokenization, can have a profound impact on the performance and accessibility of AI. So, next time you're chatting with an AI assistant in Hindi, Bengali, or any other Indic language, Remember the unsung heroes who made it all possible. The tokenizers, they're the silent architects of the AI revolution, and they deserve our respect and admiration. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep marveling at the wonders of language and technology. And remember, folks, the universe is made of stories, not atoms. See you in the next episode.